Mumbai studios of Republic TV. It's time for Arnab Goswami on the debate.
Arnab Goswami on the debate at 10, powered by Safari.
Welcome back. NCP Chief Sharad Pawar addressed the second big news conference in 2 days as the Vazegate political storm continued to become bigger. NCP has countered Parambir. BJP has countered Sharad Pawar. They won't stop till Anil Deshmukh resigns. Here's how the politics of Vazegate is stacked tonight.
For the second time in 24 hours, NCP Chief Sharad Pawar was forced to address the media.
We got that Mr. Deshmukh was hospitalized, and that's why the allegation was made exactly in the same place. And when he was in hospital, it established there is a hospital certificate, and the all government record also said that entire 3 weeks he was not involved with. He was in Nagpur, that is his hometown.
He defended Anil Deshmukh and ruled out resignation of his top minister, who has been accused of setting a 100 crore rupee extortion target for policemen. But BJP claims counter evidence. They have tweeted a February 15th news conference of Anil Deshmukh, a time period when Pawar claims his minister was in quarantine.
15 फरवरी को मेरा जब डिस्चार्ज हो रहा था, मैं कोविड के वजह से मेरे में वीकनेस था, उसके वजह से मैं वहीं कुर्सी में बैठ के उनके सवालों का जवाब देके गाड़ी में बैठ के होम क्वारंटाइन 27 फरवरी तक हो गया.
And the aftershock of this scandal has been felt in the parliament. The BJP is cornering the Mahavikas Aghadi.
महाराष्ट्र सरकार उस पर उचित कार्रवाई करे सर, वो होना चाहिए, क्योंकि छोटा मोटा आरोप नहीं था. 100 करोड़ रुपया महीने की वसूली एक बहुत बड़े आरोप की बात थी. ये एक चिंता का विषय है.
Will there be larger political ramifications of this controversy? Will more heads roll in the administration and ministry? Will there be any impact on the alliance in Maharashtra following Vazegate? Let's debate.
It's absolute chaos. Ravi Rana is an MLA from Maharashtra, Smita Prakash, Ratan Sharda, Sujata Paul, Syed Aslam, Manasvi Thapar. But I want to begin with Shweta Shalini versus Waris Pathan. Waris, you're very quiet about this. Why? You don't have a point of view? Aren't you from Mumbai? Or you're playing safe?
I have
Playing safe.
I am not quiet. You can kindly go on my timeline and see what I have been
Playing
tweeting.
safe.
But let me tell you, Arnab, this Vazegate is getting murkier by the day. I repeatedly been saying that Sachin Vaze is just a star in the entire movie. The NIA must investigate who are his co-stars, who is the director of the film, who is the producer of the film, and top of it, who is the script writer of this entire film. That is very important. That NIA must investigate. Now, Sharad Pawar is saying that from 15 to 22nd, Anil Deshmukh, the Home Minister, was in quarantine. Today, what we saw was on 15th of February, Anil Deshmukh, the Home Minister, was holding a press conference with all the media people around him, with the security and the bodyguards around him. So, what are we facing? And today, I heard the statements of the hotel, restaurants and bar owners. They said they were tortured, Arnab. Extortion started immediately after the lockdown got over. So why this kind of extortion? Today I was thinking that Mumbai is free from underworld, but here there are officers who are doing the job of the underworld, collecting money on behalf of the ministers. This is not extorting money on behalf of the minister. Now we know why Sachin Vaze was moving in a black Mercedes, having a note counting machine. Because अब समझ में आया, note counting machine was required. Because as Anil Deshmukh said, there are 1,750 bars and restaurants in Mumbai. That amount is to be collected. And from every bar, if you collect 3 to 4 lakh rupees, it will amount to 40-50 crore per month. And the rest will come from other sources. So we want to know what are the other sources as well. Whether we are going to fall for this kind of extortion, are we living in a democracy, are we following the constitution, or will we be facing such kind of the police officers? This for the first time in the history of Maharashtra, such kind of thing has happened. And one more astonishing thing, Arnab, which I want to bring out to your notice is that, what is the Congress's role? Why is the Congress so quiet? Why no word of condemnation from them? They are very much in the MBA government. Why not a thing from Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi? Why they are quiet and silent? They must take a step.
Which party?
Make a point or leave the government. Write a letter.
But
leave the government.
Having said that, it looks very clearly. Having said that, the timing in which Mr. Singh,
which party did you refer to?
Why was it quiet all these days?
Which party did you refer to?
The things are getting murkier. Why was it quiet all these days?
Congress, why they are quiet and silent?
In the month of
why no word of condemnation from them?
Why was he quiet till he was transferred? Is there a deliberate attempt? Is there a deliberate attempt to topple the government? Is there a deliberate attempt to derail the investigation? Is there a deliberate attempt to derail the investigation? These things have to be answered. The timing of this letter will definitely be questioned. Why was Mr. Singh quiet till now? If something wrong has happened in the mid of February, why was he quiet? He has met the Chief Minister, he has met the Deputy Chief Minister, he has met Sharad Pawarji as well. Why has he not brought it to anyone's notice? Now he is talking about all this. The timing can certainly be questioned. I definitely see something very murky in this. The timing will certainly be questioned.
What timing?
This is fantastic. Syed, you are also a great guy. 1 minute. Can I say something to you? Syed. 1 minute. Shweta, 1 minute. Syed, 1 minute. You are also a fantastic person.
Yes.
You will question Paramveer. You will not ask Anil Deshmukh. You will not ask Antonia Maino's party. But you will ask the BJP, which exposed the whole case. I mean, you are incredible.
No.
You are amazing, man.
I am not questioning.
You will ask everybody.
BJP at all.
No, you will not ask them, but you will question the BJP which brought this matter to light.
Investigation which needs to happen. No, definitely not. A whistleblower will never be questioned. Whistleblower will never be questioned. A clear probe needs to happen. Why this letter has come now? What was Mr. Singh doing? What was Mr. Paramveer Singh doing till now? Why didn't he bring this to the
What do you mean, why now?
Now he has sent a letter.
Okay, so here's one question.
Why didn't he bring it to
he's asking why was Mansukh Hiren killed now? He's asking why was Mansukh Hiren killed now? And I will find out.
Absolutely
why was
not.
Sachin was planting bombs outside Antilia? We'll find out. After planting bombs outside Antilia, when caught, why did he have a closed door meeting with Paramveer Singh?
Sir, Arnab, let me tell you.
We'll find out.
The ATS investigation,
He's
they are
also
trying
asking
to derail the
who
ATS.
allowed
Shweta is back on the debate. Shweta.
Turn into
It is reaching
who
to
allowed
Nagaland.
these protectors to
It
turn
is reaching
predators?
Shweta and
For the very
Sujata.
first time,
Arrested
who
two people in case of Mansukh
allowed
Hiren.
them? Which
Two people
means
are
that the
already
government,
arrested.
current government,
Two people are already
is either
arrested.
an accomplice or they are completely incompetent. If the man they appointed themselves is doing something that they did not know of, that means they were either an accomplice or they are completely incompetent. It proves only these two things. Who appointed Paramveer? Third and the most important thing, if Mansukh was a collateral damage and there is a man sitting there who says that you come, become an approver, you be in the prison for 2 days, then I will ensure that I'll take you out. This is what Mansukh's wife has categorically said on record. And because he avoided this, he did not do this, because he did not follow orders, he was killed. This is complete criminalization of and usage of khaki for criminalization. But who's the Aka? Who's actually using this? Who's the Sardar? Who's giving the orders?
Is the question. When we look at the whole matter, have you noticed one thing? When we saw that vehicle parked outside Antilia, the entire CCTV footage told us everything about who went to the vehicle, but nobody showed us who started the vehicle there, who parked it over there. Another very important thing is that Paramveer Singh writes a letter at a stage when he has been removed. Why didn't he take a stand when he was under so much of pressure? I want to understand one thing, and I also demand another thing. That
why was he not sacked? Why was he not sacked? Why does the ATS inquiry not name him? Why does the state ATS inquiry not name him? The question is simple. Why was he not sacked? Why was he just transferred? He is a serving DG. Why was he not suspended? Why in the ATS inquiry his name does not appear? That is a state, ATS is a state governed organization. Why does his name not appear? Ma'am, you need to answer these questions. And these are much larger, bigger questions, more important questions.
Very clear. He could not have been alone. There are two names which are coming up, and this is Vinayak Shinde and Naresh Gaur. Then Naresh Gaur, who is a bookie, he has over 8 SIM cards to Vaze, and Vaze is found to be talking, to the police commissioner. What happened to the various levels of hierarchy? There is a deep-rooted conspiracy, and we will not deny it. I also, like you, want to know how is it that this entire conspiracy took place in this manner.
What hierarchy? Sujata, you're dreaming. There's no hierarchy. I'll tell you the hierarchy that was existing. Smita Prakash, Smita and Ratan Sharda, 1 minute. What hierarchy are you talking about? The only hierarchy in the Mumbai police, there were only 2 people who mattered. One was Sachin Vaze and one was his only boss, Paramveer. So there were only 2 people who mattered. Nobody else mattered. What hierarchy are you talking about? Was there any other hierarchy? Ratan Sharda, you live in Mumbai. Is there any other hierarchy? Don't tell me hierarchy. Ratan Sharda is on. There is no hierarchy.
There is no hierarchy. We already know during earlier debate that Vaze was the chosen man of Shiv Sena, and he had all the powers in the world to even talk down to Paramveer, because if a junior brings a fancy cast to the police commissioner's office and he gives squares, there is a problem. People who say, what about timing? Clearly, thieves have fallen out. Now, who are the thieves? I will not name. But naturally, there are people who are together, thick as thieves, have suddenly started talking against each other. Shiv Sena supports the same Vaje and Paramveer Singh, and NCP condemns them. Interestingly, Paramveer Singh has said that he briefed Sharad Pawar. Now tell me, under what law can Sharad Pawar, without having power in the Maharashtra government, can ask for briefing from the police commissioner of Mumbai? Is there any reason? And then if you go further, this is a terror case. Remember, it's not a normal case anymore. And Sharad Pawar said, I will not. शरद पवार, अरे भैया आपको आग क्यों लगी है? आपकी पार्टी की आप पार्टी क्यों क्या? आपको आग क्यों लगी है? बोलना मुझे। नहीं आग नहीं लगी साहब। शरद पवार said I will not get into any local issue. Then he suddenly starts advocating.
Let him complete.
And Mr. Deshmukh, who was not being supported, suddenly Sharad Pawar says, okay, it's not a local issue. He starts interfering. If he knows so much, he should go to N9 and tell what's the game on. If he knows so much, then why he did not speak earlier? He says it's a local issue. This is an entire one-man upmanship between Shiv Sena, NCP and Congress on the sideline, because there's no power to control it. And we find that it was just loot everywhere. And today what has happened, BJP leaders and his supporters have been arrested in Pune for COVID-related issues. So this government has not given up on its arm twisting, on its muscle, on its goonship on the roads, as if there is nobody else who is breaking the COVID rules, as if Pune is completely sealed. Even this is a victimization, nothing else. It started with TRP. Don't mix up with just case. Start with Palghar Sadhus. Start with attack on Arnab Mukherjee, Arnab Goswami. Start with his arrest and his entire staff being harassed. So law and order has gone out in a tumble. This is just the break point, nothing else. So if we say just talk about this case, I'm sorry.
Ratanji,
the entire
from Palghar to Sushant to TRP, Parambir was the biggest villain, and now suddenly Parambir has come out as the biggest saint of truth because it suits the politics of BJP.
BJP have fallen out. So this greed to police to turn into criminal enterprises is today what Maharashtra government is facing.
Few days back,
you are a lawyer, don't talk
against the BJP. This particular guy.
I just find it very curious today, Smita. No. Smita is on the debate. Smita with Ravi Rana. Ravi Rana is a legislator from Maharashtra. He was. May I say what? I just find it fascinating. I find it fascinating today, Smita. Fascinating.
Press conferences.
I find it fascinating today.
Go to the courts. File a
That the BJP people are asking the MVA people, why don't you ask the ATS to question and arrest Parambir? And the MVA people are asking the BJP people, why don't you ask the NIA to arrest and jail Parambir? Both sides are asking each other, why don't you catch Parambir? Why don't you catch Parambir? It's out of the, it's utter chaos.
Giving press conferences,
it's utter chaos.
No, it is BJP. It is the BJP who should question Parambir. Not BJP, but NIA.
Not just chaos.
Sachin Vaze, the right man of
both sides should question Parambir.
I want to know which of
people in the middle get
Parambir. Why is NIA protecting
which of you is Smita Prakash?
How can ATS?
Smita Prakash's turn. Thank you.
No, which of you is Smita Prakash?
Smita, please. Let
he
Smita
just asked
speak.
a question of
Let
me,
Smita
sir.
speak.
May I just answer, please?
Nobody. Smita.
मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा
or you were talking about hierarchy. You were talking about hierarchy. The only two people who matter are Vaze. The only two people who matter in the police are Mr. Vaze and Mr. Parambir. And then on the other hand, you say who matters in the MVA? In the MVA, obviously Sharad Pawar matters. You think Vaze could have been appointed without Parambir, and Parambir could have appointed Vaze without Uddhav Thackeray knowing, and Uddhav Thackeray would have appointed him without Sharad Pawar knowing. The fact is that nobody wants to take action against Parambir, which is quite fascinating. Why is it? I think right now what one has to see is whether heads will roll. Other than the police, will the Home Minister or head also be rolling? The optics will look pretty bad if the Home Minister's head rolls right now. Because what will happen is that Vaze's role will be given a... Oh God, there's no point. Aap hi boliye, sir.
Smita ji, go ahead. Please go ahead.
Continue.
Go ahead, Smita ji. Okay, so I think what Smita ji was saying makes...
Somebody is screaming over me. All I wanted to say was that right now, the MVA looks like... May I? I think the MVA right now looks like it's in a very bad shape because the optics are not good. If the Home Minister is made to resign right now, it will look like Vaze's role had been given a tacit okay by Sharad Pawar. I think the MVA politicians are in a soup. They can neither defend nor accuse Parambir, nor can they accuse or defend Vaze. As far as the political narrative is concerned, Arnab, the MVA looks like it's been hand in glove with rogues, absolute rogues, and I frankly can't understand why Sharad Pawar needed this at the fag end of his political career. Does he really want this to be his swan song? He cut such a pathetic figure today in that press conference trying to defend Anil Deshmukh. I mean, a former defense minister being given inaccurate information by his underlings. He's trying to cut the damage.
Would removing Anil Deshmukh be better?
Trying to defend rogues. Why? What are his compulsions?
Because Smita ji,
but tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. Today, another interesting thing that I find. You see, just a minute. Sharad Pawar is trying to manage the situation, I understand. But a senior Congress leader, H.K. Patil, says, whatever alternatives comes, we'll see. Even resignation is one alternative. So what is clear here is that the Congress is also speaking in another direction. Second thing that is clear here, nobody trusts the Mumbai police. The Chief Minister is holding high-level meetings to pay special attention to the Home Department. It has sought a review of the situation. Nobody has confidence in the Mumbai police. I think Ravi is still speaking, so I'm going to cut to Ravi. Ravi, आप आइए अभी स्क्रीन पे. श्वेता, 1 minute. Ravi and Waris Pathan.
राष्ट्रपति शासन लगाया जाए तो ही महाराष्ट्र ठीक हो सकता है. महाराष्ट्र की परिस्थिति ये तकलीफ में लाने का कारण है सिर्फ उद्धव ठाकरे जी, और उद्धव ठाकरे जी बेजवाबदार मुख्यमंत्री है जिन्हें महाराष्ट्र के किसी प्रश्न का नॉलेज नहीं है, किसी विषय के बारे में कभी अभ्यास वो करते नहीं है, और जिस तरह से सचिन वाजे को तैयार करके उन्होंने पैसे जमा करने का टारगेट उनको दिया था, वही आज सचिन वाजे को उसी टाइम अगर रोकते थे तो आज हिरेन का मर्डर नहीं होता था. और हिरेन का
रवि जी, आप राष्ट्रपति शासन के बारे में क्यों बोल रहे हैं? हो जाए इलेक्शन फिर से.
इन्वेस्टिगेशन होना
नहीं, राष्ट्रपति शासन इसलिए लगाना है जिस तरह से किसान महाराष्ट्र में आत्महत्या कर रहे हैं, कोरोना बढ़ रहा है, किसानों के ऊपर किसी का ध्यान नहीं है, और जिस तरह से हमारे उद्धव ठाकरे
लगाओ ना राष्ट्रपति शासन लगाओ. सेंटर में तो आपकी सरकार है, क्यों नहीं लगाते? रवि राणा, अरे रवि राणा जी, मुझे एक सवाल का जवाब दो ना.
जो परिस्थिति
आपकी सरकार सेंटर में लगाओ राष्ट्रपति शासन, इन्वेस्टिगेशन करो.
रवि राणा जी सुन लीजिए ना, वारिस साहब को उल्टा कुछ पूछ रहे हैं.
हमारा हाउस चल रहा था
जब से लॉकडाउन खत्म हुआ,
प्रोटेक्शन दो.
रवि जी, एक मिनट.
कहां सो रहे थे आप?
बार कहा
श्वेता ऑन द लेफ्ट. श्वेता,
तो आप अगेंस्ट हो गए.
श्वेता ऑन द लेफ्ट. श्वेता,
सुनिए मेरी बात. रवि जी, राष्ट्रीय शासन तो लगेगा, लेकिन एनआईए पूरी इन्वेस्टिगेशन करेगा, और जो कोई भी इन्वॉल्व था ये पूरे एक्सटॉर्शन रैकेट में उसको अरेस्ट किया जाएगा.
मिस्टर पठान,
हमारे देश में गुंडागर्दी बंद होना चाहिए. मैं मुंबई शहर में रहता हूं. मैडम एक मिनट,
Sharad Pawar ji named Rivero ji and he said please no thanks, because we are also saying no thanks because we know this government is going to fall. Please understand what Sanjay Nirupam ji is saying. Please understand what other Congress people are saying. They are saying that we have nothing to do. Please resign. Including the chief minister, he is not saying anything at all. He was saying a few days back that Waze is not Osama bin Laden, and today he is behind bars, and there are more accomplices that have been found, that have been assisting Waze. Now his own ATS has proven that Waze was the murderer, but before this they were saying immediately in 5 minutes that Mansukh Hiren committed suicide. What are we doing? Is this kind of a circus that is running in Maharashtra? अरे पठान साहब, हम और आप एक ही बात कर रहे हैं. हम सर्कस जो चला रहे हैं ना, ये महाविनाश अघाड़ी, इसको बंद करना चाहिए. ये अपने आप गिरने वाली है. हम क्यों अपना हाथ गंदा करें? हम नहीं चला रहे. हम चलाते होते तो ऐसे नहीं चलाते.
अरे मैं तो महाविकास आघाड़ी के भी अगेंस्ट हूँ, और आप भी. आप और महाविकास आघाड़ी दोनों एक सिक्के के दो पहलू है मैडम. आप भी कोई दूध के दूध नहीं हो. आपने पूरे देश की इकोनॉमी की सत्यानाश कर दिया है. आज पेट्रोल, डीजल, गैस का भाव आसमान छू रहा है, और उसके ऊपर आज होटल ओनर जो है मर रहा है बेचारा. उसके पास सर्वाइव करने को पैसा नहीं है.
कुछ तो आप सेंस की बात कर रहे थे, फिर आप वहीं आ गए. तो पहले हम टॉपिक पे रहते हैं. इस टॉपिक पे कल डिस्कशन करने आइए आप अलग से. दूसरी चीज, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड.
I think when
first time in history such thing has happened in a state called.
Can I instead of 1 minute, instead of dragging this, I want to ask you one question. We can keep debating this and people keep taking strong positions. Smita, tell me one thing. Waris, 1 minute, please. Waris, 1 minute. You know, we've seen all this happen. A lot has happened in the last one year. Lot has happened in the last 1 year. Lot has happened in the last 1 year. Smita is dissolved. I mean, if there is no faith in this, is it better to dissolve the assembly, call a fresh election in Maharashtra?
Yes.
Not president's rule.
Yes.
That's the most easiest thing to do now.
Yes,
Smita first and then Ratan Sharda.
Yeah, you know, what I'm trying to... Mr. Sharda, 1 second. You know, what is happening is that absolute giving up of any kind of attempt even to look at that they are governing the state. It's like, look at the state that the COVID is right now in Maharashtra, but they couldn't be bothered at all. All that one is seeing is more and more meetings, inconclusive meetings happening. You know, I don't know whether in your earlier debate you mentioned this about this MP Navneet Rana, who has filed a complaint about a threat made against her in the Lok Sabha by a Shiv Sena MP, who said, मैं देखता हूँ तू महाराष्ट्र में कैसे घूमती है, तेरे को भी जेल में डालूंगा. But this is what a democratically elected leader supposedly said to another MP. in Lok Sabha. This is how they're going to run away people. Anybody who says something against the chief minister, get out of the state. How dare you stay in my state? Get out of my city. This is my city. They did this in the 70s to the South Indians, if you remember, lungi wale. And they're doing it all over again now to threaten somebody within the Lok Sabha. And he says that her body language, see her body language. These are the same people who were making fun and tweeting about torn jeans and saying, "Acha, ye sanskari torn jeans." And today they are saying कि तू आती कैसे है महाराष्ट्र देखेंगे. This is what it is. And he's saying, first prove it. Now she has to now prove that this was said. And she is saying that even acid attack was done, a threat against acid attack was done on her. I mean, what is this? What are we coming to? Maharashtra is Republic of Maharashtra or something? They are going to decide who's a citizen of the state and who's not? What kind of constitution is this that is being run specially for Maharashtra?
What's happening there.
I'd like to know.
It's truly unfortunate, and I think I agree with you, Smita. The fact that all of this is happening at a time when the COVID numbers are reaching those unmanageable proportions, I think the irony is not lost on people. Ratan Chadha, it's very disheartening actually. For the common people,
Yes, in fact, I was
going through
to
so
show the
much
same
pain
letter that Smita
and
talked
trouble
about.
through this another wave of COVID and complete confusion. Is this a way to run a government?
If you are aware at that time,
And is
when
this
the
what,
COVID
I
was
mean,
in full
today if I
in
open
full
up the
flow,
phone lines, Ratan Chadha, people are at tipping point in
Yes.
as far as anger is concerned. Yes,
in the
please.
first phase when Maharashtra was #1 in COVID, the great Chief Minister never came out of his home. He didn't even take meetings. He was just talking on phone. And this Chief Minister had no clue what is happening.
That's
And
true.
his party, which was earlier doing Gundagardi on the road, today they are doing Gundagardi in police stations or in Lok Sabha, in every place possible. Is this kind of government you want? See, this is a government made on totally cheating the people's mandate. And this is just an honor between thieves that everybody is keeping quiet and making money.
Ratanji,
Now something has gone out of hand. Suddenly you have NCP and Shiv Sena at each other's throat. But as far as I see, this government will not fall because they are all equally corrupt. They are all equally in hand in glove with different kind of, resources, as we call it. Not, I would say, bribes or 100 crore story is not something that really shocks anybody who is in public life.
So
this
what
is
is the
happening. Only
solution?
thing is Parameswar.
How do we
I
protect
agree.
them?
I
Why is
agree.
this
It's
now?
really-
Just one
because,
person said,
I- we need an end to this.
In hand in gloves with BJP.
We need an end to this situation.
It was a great alliance. Now it is
We need a complete end to this situation, viewers. I have to close this here.